Folks, that we all deal with learned behavior, what we learn from other people, and what's going on in the state now is a learned behavior. We've going on 50 or 60 years with the way that custody and divorce has been dealt with in the state. So this is a learned behavior. This is not something that has to be taught. All you have to do is just watch what's going on. You see what happens. That's what's happened and what's got us here today. What we've got to do differently as parents and citizens, we've got to demand that those that have the seat of power, right here at the building we're in front of, move, that they actually do something to change from the top down what's affecting our children, what's going to affect our children, what's going to affect our grandchildren. Tim Smith can't do a lot by himself. Can't do a whole lot by himself. I can hold the microphone, I can talk. People are going to have to get involved. You're going to have to talk to your legislature. You're going to have to demand that changes are made. Not just simply ask or request. We're going to have to hold people that are in a place of power accountable for how they use their power. We've got judges that routinely remove fit parents from the lives of children. How can I stand up here and make that statement? It's the truth. Everyone knows it. What's being done? We've got to demand things be done. We've got to call attention to it. We've got to expose people that are not willing to make that change. We need to get involved rather than just lay back and wait for someone else to do it. We ourselves have to get up and make a change. If not, if it hasn't affected your family, if you've got children, it's going to touch your family. Right at 50% of marriages today end in divorce. Matters not whether there's children involved or not. So a change has got to be made. If not us, who? I'd encourage you to look at the Alabama Family Rights Association. As was said earlier by Kenneth, it's the only organization in the state that speaks directly to problems that affect our families, that affect our children, that affect our grandchildren. So I'd encourage you to look. We'd love to have you as a member. If you don't feel compelled to join our organization, speak to your legislators. Demand that whenever you have a judge elected that they speak on this matter, because they're going to rule on it. Hold their feet to the fire. Make them accountable for the rulings they make. So we've got to make some drastic changes in Alabama, or the family as we know it today is going to end. I want to thank you for coming. I want to thank Kenneth again for all the work he's done for this little event here. And like I said, I've got napkins in my pockets. We're going to blow some bubbles here in a moment. And Lord knows our children need love. They need love from everywhere they can get it, and they need it from both parents. Thank you, folks.